Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at that big pimple. It's so painful. So I always tend to have big pimples. I don't know why. Anyways, so I want to do a clean with me, like you can tell by the title, and I've already started, but I just thought of the video idea and I just thought I should show you guys. So I'm gonna be cleaning out my books. You can see how rough it looks like. I don't know why I haven't taken that out in a while, so I'm just gonna be doing that. And here is where I put my products, my makeup, and all
My module.
So I don't know what it means by that. I am just gonna be cleaning that out, and yeah. So yeah. Pause. And when I'm walking, like I always sit on the floor and do what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna be taking out the books, and I will be taking out the books I'm not gonna be using again. Okay, these are new. Let me just keep them here. These are my phone cases. They are still important, so I gotta keep it. This is thanks. What's this? Oh, and this is one of my jotters that I used when I was in 200 level. So I guess I don't need it. Yeah, I just keep it in here. Oh, I'm already tired. This is old too. Old. So guys, I actually do read novels. Like this is from John Grisham, and it is The Racketeer. I haven't read this. This is Sycamore Row. Like the book is everything. It felt like I was watching a movie while I was watching it. Like I just love it. I see how it's so. Like the wall is my room is beside the wall, so it makes my wall peel off and extends my book. So I'm gonna be keeping this. Too. So when we went under level, they actually gave us a tab in my school, and this was the pack. The tab is damaged right now, and I don't really think there's anything I gotta use it to do. Let's see, nothing. So I really don't know why I've been keeping this. Yeah, this is how the tab looks like. Hey. Yeah, this is how it looked like. And I'm going to be trying it out. Should I try out 307? Yeah, just gonna be trying it out. So like I said, I love movies, so you can see I have a lot of movies. I actually bought some. This is one. And super doing this. No? Where's the light? Okay, my letter. Letter is fine. My debit card, my bank. So I'm gonna be keeping it. What do I think? Huh? I'll look at it. I'll show the prices. Oh. Okay, this is from hospital. For me, and this is custom. This is not really for last night, so that's why we customs because we're using the for all. So last night, so this is old. Yeah, it's old. Like when I'm using this is let's go to this. Like custom. Oh god, what cost is this? Like, you know what? Not Nigeria, like go to Turkey, so that's really so we just I don't know. This is when I'm done by the let's remember. I think that was over the class and we over. When after that, people do whatever like because of that and actually so let's go there. So this one's still good. Look at this. That's like, see, like this, so much like this. Like, I don't know how to keep like so much. I'm really using this. Yeah. Think overall. Oh, my dick's like, okay. I don't want to think about this. I was getting it. Yeah, I didn't know. Just do that. Like, try it out. I did it. Try it. No, I don't do it. Yeah, please. Should we do this? One. You know, so. Okay, I don't know what I did. Sorry. So guys, this is I think this is like something. This is like something. This is some of it. show you guys one I actually like. When I think this sounds really old, and I just want to show you guys one I really like. I like this one. It's really beautiful actually, but I think I'll see it. Like, it's so beautiful. So I'm looking at this song I like this. And I just feel like I love sound. This one. I love it like the Australia and all. So that's just like. So I'm looking at it, right? Plus. So like this is the handle over back. This is the back, yeah. I actually like it now, I guess. I didn't want to this is this is the back. So I'm not sure you guys actually those sounds. So this sounds looks like I remove everything. Like guys, this is so like color. So I'm actually editing off. Like I'm gonna do this for a long time. I just don't want to do it. And I don't like anything I just decided to do this. This is my something else.
You see how the walls are peeling. Like I said earlier, I'm beside the wall, and that is why it looks that way. Yeah, like I suffer from this because I have to sweep it every single day because of the peeling, and this doesn't happen in every other people's room. It's just my room, and you can see how much sand is there. So I'm just gonna be using the broom to sweep it out. Like it actually looks really nice when, like everything just looks really nice when it's clean. You can see, oh God, cleanliness is like everything. It's just everything. So I'm just gonna be doing this place later, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so beautiful. Except to the spilling wall and all. So guys, I'm just gonna be arranging my books back. I might use this very soon, so I'm gonna be putting, I haven't used this, yeah. So let me just put this ones first. So the reason why I'm not throwing those books away is because it still has a lot of pages left and I can still use it. Like I have to manage books because books are really expensive, so I'm just gonna be putting that. I don't want to put it too close to the wall because of the peeling wall, so it doesn't make the books turn black. So that's just how I'm gonna be doing it. Like I don't want to put my books on the table because the table is already stuffed up. It's already stuffed up as it can be. So I guess I'm just gonna be putting it here, and I'm just not gonna make the mistake of actually letting it be close to the wall. So my
books I use it level. I just like the cover of the book, book videos for wedding. I like the cover, it's so bad, and I don't know what it is, not really affected this book. I like it. So I'm going to use this book videos for my school, and I'm actually and this one has pages left too. So I'm keeping it. Okay, ready? No, this is together. This. I'm going to put this first. Yeah. I think it's okay that way. So, and I think this is my school files. Like not really my files. So I'm just going to take the materials I'm going to be using. Yeah. This I'm doing that. So I can arrange them very well. Like I just check my hand, I don't know which files. But I don't know. I guess this is all. This is 308. Yeah. This is all. No, it's not all. Yeah, this is all the book. So I'm just going to take them. Yeah, I'm actually just focusing on them. So that's actually different things. I don't know if I should actually fold this like this or just like this. Tell me guys what you think, and I'll write it in this video. Comment down below that, please. Let me know what you guys think about my books, about mapping the wall, about everything. Like, I'm just going to upload the video, but I think it's very cool because it's everything. So, yeah. So, books are not done yet. Guys, I want to show you my picture, and I want to show you what the wall is my picture like. It's so painful. You guys can see the way it's not so clear. Yeah, you can see this thing here, the wall is, yeah, the wall, look at this. It's just a picture, but how beautiful it is. Yeah. Like, I don't know, all of my pictures, the one that I sent pictures, always just end up. Ends up getting spoiled. Yeah. This was, I guess, 2 years ago. You know, just something, and this is how I looked then. Yeah. Guys, this is the bag I put my paint in. I like this color. Let me show you guys my 2 favorite colors. This, I love this color so much, and I love this too. Well, I don't know why it's getting brown. Oh, I think it's actually bright. Yeah, those are my favorite colors. So guys, this is how it looks after I paint. I guess I put the focus inside, but there's not much I can do to I what's actually inside. Yeah. And I make sure the books are not so close to the wall. So it's also down my books. And everything is not so clean. I want them eyes wet today. So tomorrow Saturday, Friday, and I'll do it on Friday.
yeah. So the books are not done yet. Guys, so I want to show you one of my picture, and I want to show you what the world did to my picture. Like it was so painful. You guys can see very well. It's not so clear. Yeah, you can see this thing here. The wall did it. Yeah, the wall. Look at this. It just spoils my picture with how beautiful it is, and yeah. Like I don't know, out of my pictures, the one that are my single pictures always just ends up getting spoiled. Yeah. This was, I guess, 2 years ago. You know, change is constant, and this is how I looked then. Yeah. Guys, this is the bag I put my paint in. Like, look at this color. Let me show you guys my 2 favorite colors. This, I love this color so much, and I love this too. Wow, I don't know why it's getting dry. Oh, I think it's actually dried. Yeah, those are my favorite colors.
Inside, yeah. And I make sure the books are not super dual. So it's also down my books. And everything is not super clean. I will get my eyes wet today. So the rest of the day, I'm sure Friday, and I'm doing some Friday. So this is some good cards. Actually, the games. I'm just looking at there. Oh, God. Can you see this one? I can't even touch the wall. Actually, breaks down. This place. So I'm trying to go over. This one, no, that my makeup. Look at how messy it is. So that's it. I'm trying to have this. I'm just going to have this and like, I'll say the this is so ugly. So this one, no. Yeah, let me put this here. This is a choker. So I really appreciate them. I just put them to chop it all in this. Yeah, so these are the things I put for my ears and a little bit shiny like that. So I can see it again. So where should I put this? I gotta just put them here. Yeah, maybe fine. I just put my friends and products, like skin products, products. Just really nice. This is about that. I gotta go. I gotta go. I'm actually proud of this. I didn't know that. So this is like getting so I'm gonna put my makeup back here. My makeup box. This is probably there. This is kind. This is my eyeshadow palette. So I didn't know it because you can see that. See, this is like this place actually is on top of this place, so you actually put shadow. You can see everything's on this. I can't even use it. So painful. And this is the doing that out here. And this is my brush set. This is my eyeshadow palette. This is my contour palette. It's also gorgeous. Nice. I don't think it's fine. This is what is damaged. This is the so like, this is how it looks. What do you think? Like, I need to stop the I don't think it's to put it on one rubber thing. And I'm doing so. If I just stop everything like this. Yeah. And it goes. My beautiful bag. Yeah, and it looks good. So guys, here's how it looks. This is my relax. Yeah, exactly. And this is how we're going to do this thing. So it's good. My poster, my system. So, thank you guys for saying.
Thank you for staying with me. I know it took a lot of time and my house is really dirty, but as you can see, it looks nice now. And thank you for staying with me as I did this video. And that is basically what I do. Like, I can't really say once in a while because it's been a while since I cleaned that. So thank you guys for staying with me, and please, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and please subscribe to my channel. Please do. You have to. Like, you literally have to. You have to consider subscribing because my channel is great. And please subscribe to my channel because you know why. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.